Both of you should wait here. Don't move an inch from this place.
Yes, my prince.
Score.
Yes, my prince.
Will not kill me. Ochimba.
Mama,
I thought you had done chasing her around. What is it again?
Mama, let me deal with this girl a little bit. At least she will stop saying that slave. That slave.
Is he not a human being like you?
Mama,
is he not?
Mama,
is he not?
Mama,
shut your mouth up. If I hear one more word, I will ask him to give you 10 letters of cane. Is there anything wrong with you?
Mama, why are you doing this? What is 10 strokes? Mama, let me double it. Say, I will double it. Put that.
Ojemba, Mary Ebere.
Agu.
Bahalia, Mary Ebere. I am sure she will not do it again.
Mama. Please. Actions speak louder than voice. Mama, let me deal with this girl a little bit.
Don't touch me. Stay away from me, Ojemba. Stay away from me. Leave me alone.
Shut your mouth up. Get it in me. What you just close your mouth for once?
I'll keep my eyes on you. Mama, Ebere, let me see you with that slave again. If I can make Ebere. Oh,
it's okay.
If I can make
it's okay. Please.
If I can. Oh, enough to learn. Enough to learn. With that listen. Finger me.
Ojo, you will not go and fight. Mama, leave me alone. You will not go and fight your fellow.
You Ebere. If I ever hear any rubbish again, you talk too much. What is wrong with you? Stay down one place.
Don't be afraid. I brought you here for us to share the feelings we have for each other. I know you'll be surprised. Are you not?
Yes, my prince.
You don't have to be. You don't have to. The first time I set my eyes on you, I knew you were the right woman for me. Look at you. You're beautiful. You're humble. Not just humble, you're calm.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
Prince, I'm scared.
No. You don't have to be scared. Not when you are with me. Come on. I am here. You shouldn't be afraid of anything. When I become the Igwe of Eziabala, I will make you my woman. I will make you my wife. I will make you the queen. The queen after my mother.
I cannot marry you. I'm a slave.
No. Don't say that again. I hate that. I don't like hearing it.
When I become the Igwe of Eziabala,
I will abolish that rubbish. I will make sure it doesn't exist in this kingdom.
You will be my queen and you will enjoy everything. I will give your people the freedom they've been clamoring for. That's where it be. If you will allow me here and now, if you will allow me to make you feel like a woman.
Prince, let me go. Please, no.
Don't shout.
Let me go.
I will not harm you. I will make it very soft and tender. You will enjoy it. It will be so sweet that... Listen, let's go.
No! Please, no. Let me go. No, let me go. No. Let me go. Please. No, let me go. No, let me go.
Ijeamaka.
Yes, my queen.
Why are you crying?
I have slight headache.
Where were you earlier today?
I accompanied the prince to the stream to have his bath.
You did what? Who asked you to do that?
The prince.
Let this be the last time you will accompany my son anywhere. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Your Highness, are we going to remain like this? Our daughter is dying. Something needs to be done very fast.
Elema, my spirit is troubled. Why did our daughter lie to me by telling me she had returned the eggs? I knew that those eggs were not ordinary. I knew it.
Your Highness, it wasn't your fault. Our daughter did not tell us the truth.
Yes. But this is not the time to lay blames. I do not want my daughter to die.
I suggest you invite the oracle for the second time. He might use his powers to convince the spirits for another form of appeasement.
I'm afraid that might not be possible.
But Your Highness, there is no harm in trying.
I am confused. I will be a failure if I can't get my people out of this situation. Serious case. This is the third death I'm witnessing this morning. Hey! And our Igwe is keeping silence over this tragedy. Does he want our people to be wiped out by the evil sea goddess? My wife advised me to take my daughter to the neighboring kingdom for safety. This is what I will do. Hi!
Who are you and how did you know my name?
I am Ikuku, the god of your forefathers.
The god of my forefathers? The god of my forefathers. And what are you doing here?
I came to tell you that the time is near. You must fulfill your destiny.
The gods of my forefathers. I am surprised you speak about destiny. I am a slave. And you know that a slave does not have destiny.
Japan, get prepared. For the journey ahead of you is a tough one. The hour to liberate the people is here.
Where are you? Where are you? You've not finished explaining yourself. Show yourself!
Brother? Brother? Are you alright?
It was just a dream. What kind of dream is this?
Oh. I brought your food.
It's alright.
Okay. I'm going back to the kitchen.
What kind of dream is this? Ikuku. I've heard that name before.
Udude,
Your Highness.
a lot has happened already, and more is yet to happen. If appropriate action is not taken at the proper time, please, we are ready to appease the sea goddess, no matter what it will cost this kingdom. We are ready.
Oracle of the gods, we beg you. You are the mediator between us and the spirits. Beg the goddess on our behalf.
Igwe, I'm only a messenger, but I will do as you requested. Your Highness, the sea goddess has finally changed her mind. She has an option.
Oh, that's good. Please, tell us about it.
We are ready for any sacrifice. Biko.
Your Highness, this is a tough one. I don't know how we are going to do this.
Ududo, let us first hear what the spirit said. First, then we'll discuss on how to achieve it.
You are right.
Oh, you me.
He's right.
Talk to us today. Talk to us.
The sea goddess demanded an appeasement with 3 eggs of an ancient python that dwells in the Dudu forest.
Hey!
Where will we get it?
Today, this is a difficult task. How can we achieve it?
You are to send 4 able-bodied men into the forest in search of the eggs. They will take no weapon with them.
Ududo, Odudu forest is an evil forest. Abandoned for a long time ago now. No one goes in there and comes out alive.
Please, let the spirit make another choice. None of our young men will ever accept to enter into the most dreaded
forest of our time.
Please.
The spirit has spoken. If nothing is done within the shortest period of time, all the young melons, including the women, will be wiped out. Those are the words from the spirit. I will take my leave now.
Is it so quick? No other solution. Hey.
Wait. He's going. In a hurry, like.
What?
Your Highness, permission to fall out.
I've been worried since that dream.
Ikuku,
Yes, that is what she told me.
the dream you had is not ordinary. It has some meaning attached to it.
Papa, why did you say that?
Yeah, Ikuku was my forefather's personal god, to whom generations to come in the family lineage was dedicated for protection and guidance of our people.
Are you telling me that the god really existed?
Yes, I am surprised, although I didn't know that it's still in existence. Eziabala destroyed the shrine the time they invaded and took some of our people into captivity in those days.
Why then did she appear to me in my dream and talked about the freedom of our people?
I am still surprised about that too.
Papa, if Ikuku was made for protection, why didn't he protect our people from the hands of Eziabala?
Eziabala made a great sacrifice that weakened the powers of the gods of our land. That is why I'm surprised and confused about the dream you had.
This one that's summoning the youth, are you sure they're not preparing for another human sacrifice because of the problem in the land?
We have to keep our ears open. Yes.
People of Eziabala, Eziabala is calling on all the youth of this kingdom. Make sure you are there if you know you are a youth of this kingdom. Tell he who did not hear.
Your Highness, the youths are outside.
I have heard you. I will join them shortly. The great youths of our land, I greet you. I thank you very much for honoring my invitation. We all are aware of the calamity that has befallen this dear land of ours. You see, the future of Eziabala Kingdom and the life of my dear daughter, the princess of this land, are in your hands. The solution to this problem lies in 4 able-bodied youths going into search to get 3 eggs of an ancient python that lives in Obudu forest. Well, it might sound like an impossible journey, but it needs one with a patriotic heart for his dear land. Yes. And this will not go without reward. Yes. The one that will come back with the 3 eggs will be given my daughter's hands in marriage. And the 3 others will have other handsome rewards. Oh. Am I communicating?
Yes, Your Highness.
Do you have any question?
Your Highness. No, not really.
Igwe.
Yes, my dear.
Your Highness, may you live long. My name is Ugonna, the son of Ibegunam. Yes, we have heard what you said, and we must make hay while the sun shines. We don't stand at a place watching a masquerade. The ones who are ready will do as you said. Igwe.
All right. We are awaiting the 4 patriotic news here tomorrow to take off immediately. Is that clear?
FOB.
Nduka, do you know my annoyance? My annoyance is that the Igwe is only interested in saving the life of his own daughter. He doesn't care about those people who in one way or the other lost their loved ones. And it's very bad. Nduka.
FOB, you just speak your mind. But the Igwe is not to be blamed at all. I mean, he is doing his best for this kingdom. Or can't you see? Don't you have eyes?
Nduka, I don't understand where you stand in this matter. I don't understand where you stand in this matter. Okay, who brought this problem in this our land? The princess. If it had to be you or me, FOB, they would have labeled it abomination. And do you know what that means?
FOB, whatever be the situation, what we should be talking now is the solution to this problem and not laying blames on anybody.
Nduka, join them to the Obudu forest if you think that your life has a duplicate. Join them.
And who told you I was going to go for that search? Who told you? You forgotten I am the only son of my father? Have you suddenly forgotten that?
Nduka, don't tell me you do not have interest in Igwe's promise. Because I know you would love to marry the princess when she recovers.
God told me, Che. The Igwe's promise is nothing but a bait that awaits a foolish animal. Okay. Those who are ready should go. As for Ndoka, this man you are seeing here, he will not die this year. I will never die next 10 years. Do you understand? So those who are ready to do the sacrifice should go. As for this guy here, I am out of here. And I'm
Ndoka onye
marry which Igwe's daughter.
Ndoka, my man. Who no get sense? Imagine.
The solution to this problem lies in 4 able-bodied youths going into search to get 3 eggs of an ancient python that lives in Obudu forest. And this will not go without reward. Yes. The one that will come back with the 3 eggs will be given my daughter's hands in marriage. And the 3 others have 3 different rewards altogether.
I'm the only surviving child of my late parents. Our lineage will close down if anything happens to me. But the forest is an evil place. I still remember the stories of how those who went there in the past never came back. Right. The life of my princess is at stake. What can I do now?
Jemba.
Ojemba, a stubborn fly, ends up in the grave with the corpse. Let it sink into your ear.
Sit down.
Nai, is everything all right?
Ojemba, repeat what you just told me.
Nne, Ebere, I have considered all odds and have volunteered myself for this great search to Obudu Forest.
Eh? Did I hear you say Obudu Forest?
Listen to him.
Nai. And what did you tell him?
I have tried to dissuade him. He insisted that he has made up his mind.
But no. Nai. My son, Obudu Forest is a dangerous place to go. Don't you ever dare it.
Mama.
Besides, you are not the only young man in this kingdom.
Mama, I am not a coward. Cowards die many times before their death. Mama, I am going to Obudu Forest and I will bring back the eggs. I will marry the princess and bring honor to this family. Don't you think so?
Honor, Wagam. Honor, Wagam. You are not going anywhere. Have I made myself clear? You are not going anywhere. Besides, are you the only young man in this kingdom? Are you?
And that same question goes to you, Mama. If all mothers hold their children, who will bear the cat? And who will rescue this land?
Ojemba, listen to our mother. We do not want to lose you.
And who is talking about losing someone here? No. Who is talking about losing someone here? This is an opportunity for me to show, and this our family, to show Eziabala that they have a great hero like me. Of course!
Ojemba, let me tell you, you are going nowhere. Are you hearing me? I will go to Igwe by myself. I will go to the palace myself and tell Igwe, you are going nowhere. Nai, are you going inside?
Do you want me to sleep here? If Ojemba has decided to go to Obudu Forest, leave him alone. If he comes back, we'll see him.
It's a lie! I didn't accept this one. And my dear, let me tell you, don't dare that. Don't even try to think about that. I don't want to hear it, but I don't want to hear it at all. Mama. Let me just tell you.
Mama, come and go, let me see me.
Ojemba, listen to our mother. Beadless fly follows the corpse to the grave. What will happen to us? Imagine if you go there and did not come back.
Has she started taking the medicine?
Yes, gradually. Your Highness, I'm worried. The youths are not yet back.
I don't know what is happening there. Does it mean none of them is strong enough to face the challenges?
Your Highness, my daughter is dying. Something has to be done urgently. If not, those boys will eat her up.
I wish I was in my youth days. I would have gone into the forest myself because we have just limited time to do this. Limited time.
I suggest you summon the youths again. They need a lot of encouragement.
A lot of encouragement? What other lot of encouragement do they need? After offering my daughter's hand in marriage, plus other incentives, what other lots of encouragement do they need? Hey.
Greetings, Your Highness. Some youths are outside.
How many of them?
3, Your Highness.
We have to wait for the 4th person. While awaiting the arrival of the oracle, go and tell them to wait behind.
Yes, Your Highness.
I think there's hope.
Yes, there is. I am a little bit settled now.
Mama.
Teenager, where?
Mama, leave my way.
I will not. I knew what I passed through when I gave birth to you. So I will not allow you to embark on this suicide mission. I will not.
Mama, step aside. I better talk to Mama to leave my way.
Ojemba.
What?
Please, don't do this. Forget this journey.
Ojemba.
You will not come back alive if you step your foot into that evil forest.
Ojemba, go in there. Ojemba, go in there. Go back to the house.
Mama, I'm not so. Mama, leave my way.
I will not.
I said you should leave my way.
I will not.
I said you should leave my way.
I said I will not.
Okay.
Mama,
let me.
Mama, Mama, let him go.
Mama,
let him go.
Your Highness.
Yes, Dudo.
I have selected 4 among the 8 young men that gathered outside. Ibuka here shall be the leader.
That's good. Thank you very much, Dudo. Ibuka. Thank you, my son. I am happy for your response. The gods of our land will lead all of you safely to the forest and back home. Yeah. And remember, you are the heroes of our land. The reward for this journey has not changed. It remains the same. Therefore, I urge you to be your brother's keeper while you are in the forest. Work together, work as a team for your safety and success. Okay?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good.
You have limited time for your journey. Before the ancient python hatches its eggs, you may come out so that I can fortify you and 3 other ones for the journey ahead. Your Highness, permit me to leave.
Thank you, my ancestors.
What have I done? What's wrong have I done, Ojemba? Ojemba, you didn't listen to your mother. You didn't listen to your mother.
You didn't listen to your mother. Oh, Jemawano. Oh, Jemawano. Oh, Jemawano.
Obi dear, what is wrong with you? You have been crying since you came back. Huh? How are you sure that Ojemba will not return?
Oh, no, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh. If you had mounted pressure on Ojemba, he wouldn't have gone. You are the cause. Oh, you are the cause. He's a mayor. He's a mayor now.
Look, do not point accusing fingers on me. Huh? I was the one who forced him to go to the journey.
You know too well that nobody goes to evil forest. That evil forest of Odudu, nobody goes to the evil forest and come back. Nobody goes to it and come back. Yet you allow him. If you had minded that pressure, he wouldn't have gone.
Huh? Were you not here when I begged him not to embark on that journey? But he insisted.
What effort did you make? Did you show any effect? What effort did you make, Nai?
Look, if you cause yourself any damage or any health problem because of this cry, do not expect me to show any concern. You got that here? Let me go and collect fodder for the goat.
Papa, I heard the youths have gone for the search in the evil forest.
When?
This morning. And the stories going around shows that their chances of coming back is 0.
Yes. The forest is a deadly zone. A land of the dead. That was the place Eziabala threw most of our people in those days after the war. Their spirits dominate the forest.
Hey. Papa, you've not told me this before. You mean Eziabala killed our people and threw their bodies inside the evil forest?
Yes.
Why?
After the war, most of our people who were brought down here, they refused to be loyal to Eziabala. As a result, most of them were killed. And that was a horrible moment to our fathers then. Even some of their families were wiped out.
These people really dealt with our people.
Of course. They claimed it was a revenge for what they went through in the hands of our people before they gained their freedom from us.
Ebere, why is your face like this?
I came to see you.
Ikejofo?
Papa?
Who is that?
Ezeonu whose daughter?
Good day, Nai.
You're welcome.
Papa, wait, let me help you.
No. I tell you, you are a visitor. Allow me, I can find my way. Leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Why is your face like this? What is it?
My brother was among those who went for the search in the evil forest. All effort to stop him proved abortive. He's so stubborn, he refused to listen to us.
I'm sorry about that. But let's hope he comes back with the eggs.
Do you think he can make it?
He'll make it.
Thank you. Please, I'm sorry for the way he treated you the other day.
It's okay. Come on, sit down. Let me get you something.
No, I have to go immediately. My mother will be worried about me.
It's okay. So when next are you visiting?
I don't know. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. I'm going to go and come out.
The youths have gone out for the search. How long will this journey take? And the oracle said we do not have time. We have limited time.
Ikenna.
Have you checked on your sister to know how she's faring today?
No, mother.
Did you check on her yesterday?
Mother, why all these questions now? Eh? Why these questions? I was busy doing other things.
Busy doing what? Ikenna, why are you so wicked? You are too mean. So you couldn't even check on your sick sister. You're mean.
She's always looking for a way to accuse me of one thing or the other. What is it? What did I do now? That I didn't go in there to see Odunze. Does it mean I don't care about her?
You don't care. You do not care. You don't behave well, Ikenna. For you, it is from one misconduct to the other. Get out of my sight. I say get out.
Oh, Ojemba. Why?
Why am I laughing? I am laughing at the man who claims to be the strongest among us. But when we were about entering the evil forest, he was shivering like a baby.
Ojemba!
What is it? We are not here for sentiment.
We are here to protect each other's brothers and work as team.
Hey! Odoja, whatever you call your name, thank you for your advice. One of us claimed to be the king of the forest, claimed to be the jungle. But when we needed it the most to prove himself into the evil forest, he was acting like a baby, like a child.
Ojemba, forget this. Forget this. Remember, we are in the center of the evil forest. And we are not supposed to make noise.
Oh, really? We're not supposed to make noise. But I'm making noise because I know one of us is scared. And I know why you both are protecting him. Because you were scared. You were scared. But for me, I am Ojemba, the king of the forest. Ojemba! Ojemba, I will not allow you to insult me in this forest. And the last time we fought was a mistake. I am ready for you this time.
I will not spare your life in this forest if you don't behave.
What are you?
I'm warning for the last time.
Goodness, God. What the hope be the next? I want to go back home.
Come to me and you will be saved. Come!
Please, take me out of here. I want to go back to my people. Please.
Time to sleep. The awaited hour is here.
You again?
Take, drink and fortify yourself, for the journey ahead of you is a tough one.
Which journey are you talking about?
The journey to your freedom. I will never let you alone until the task is done. Take, drink or you never drink it again. Drink it.
I should drink this.
It is done.
I saw her again. She keeps telling me about freedom. Why?
Nne, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, Mama.
My good morning.
Good morning, Obi dear.
There is something I would like to tell you.
What is the matter?
I had a terrible nightmare concerning our son Ojemba. I saw him running helplessly in the dream. And I was running after him. He kept running. All of a sudden, I saw him run into a pit. And when I woke up, I've been so worried.
Obi dear. Obi dear, I don't want disturbance this morning.
Ha! Nai. How did I disturb you? I just told you about the dream that I had.
Am I a dream interpreter? Huh? Look for someone to interpret your dream.
I just told
you. Do not trouble me this morning. Inamia.
Why are you talking like this? Is Ojemba no longer your son? I kept wondering why you are not showing any concern about this. I am yet to understand it.
Obi dear, you want me to kill myself because my son refused to heed to my advice not to embark on that evil journey? Eh? Is that what you want me to do? No, I
don't like what you are doing. Honestly, I don't like it. I don't like what you are doing.
No. You will not listen to me. You want me to kill myself? Ojemba. It's also only me that has a stubborn child. If you wouldn't listen, let him go there, whatever he sees. Let him take it.
Jamaka, you've been here since morning. Are you all right?
No, I'm not feeling fine.
Why didn't you tell anybody about this? How do you feel?
I feel feverish. I don't know why my breasts are getting stronger.
Jamaka, you need to see the herbalist. You can't just be sitting here like this.
Eh? Oh. With time I'll get better.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Huh. Are you sure you'll be alright?
Yeah.
Did you see Nkoli? Did she pass here?
I didn't see her.
Ududo the Great, we greet you.
Greetings, Ududo. You are welcome.
We were sent by our Igwe concerning our sons that went into Dudu Forest 15 market days ago, and they are yet to come back. He demands to know why they are not yet back.
You are welcome.
Okofia, the gods of our land. Your people are here. They came to know why the young men sent inside Odudu forest have not come back. Speak. I'm listening. Anamano. Hello. Tell Igwe that the young men are still in the search for the eggs.
Do you mean they are still alive?
The young men are still in the search for the eggs. That is the message from the gods.
Ududo, we thank you. We must surely pass the message across.
Yes. Thank you.
Okofia, the gods of our land. Okonkwo Chizzy anyoku. Okonkwo. Okonkwo Chizzy anyoku. Okonkwo. Okonkwo Eziabala Jemonu. Bagaba.
Oh no, you look up Solofuma. You look so worried. What is it again?
You are right. I am worried. Ududo did not answer my question.
But Ududo answered all the questions we asked him. Which one did he not answer?
It's true that he said that our sons are still in the forest searching for the eggs.
Yes, that was what he said.
Then I asked him the second question, which I intended to find out if they are still alive. He dodged it and repeated what he said earlier.
But don't you think his answer meant that all of them are still alive?
Not all. Some must have died in the process.
Oh no. Ududo is a truthful person. If that is the case, he should have told us.
He would not. Because he is aware that my son is among them. Ichiomenye. I have been having sleepless nights ever since they left for Odudu Forest. I do not see their chances of coming back. That is my worry.
Well, there is no how all of them will die inside that forest. We believe that someone among them will come back with the eggs for us to appease the sea goddess. It could be a son, we never can tell. So lighten up.
I do not want to show the depth of my worry to my wife, because that will worsen her condition. Omenye, how I wish that what you just said will be the result.
Oh no, I assure you, the gods will bring back your son with the eggs. So let's go. Igwe will be waiting for us in the palace. So first foot forward.
I don't know the fate of all that, sir. How would you send us in this dead zone with no cutlass? Not even cutlass, huh? Hey!
Eziamaka.
Yes, my queen.
What is going on?
Nothing, my queen.
I ask you again. What is wrong with you?
I don't know, my queen. I feel weak and feverish, and it's also making me to vomit.
Eziamaka, I did not ask you because I care about how you feel. No. I ask you because I can see some changes on your body. You are pregnant.
No, my queen. I'm not pregnant.
Will you shut up? I know you've been sleeping with all those guys. Who got you pregnant?
My queen, I'm not pregnant.
I give you till the end of today to give me the answer I want.
Please, my queen. I'm not pregnant. Please.
What are you doing here?
Can you help me? I'm here to get the egg of the ancient python that lives in this forest.
Which meat are you eating?
I killed a grass cutter. And that's what I've been feeding on for the past few days.
You killed a grass cutter in this forest. How dare you!
Calling your brother's name. Who is that? Look at me. What happened? What happened to you? Huh? I don't get go. Who was that calling your brother's name? Why are you crying?
That is my turn to play. Did any of you see Jamaka?
No, we did not see her.
Does it mean she went out?
Yes, I think I saw when she was leaving the palace.
Was she alone?
She was alone.
Will you shut up? And what are you smelling idiots doing there? Eh? Don't you have anything to do in this palace? Am I talking to witches?
My prince, we're not discussing anything.
Come on, will you smell out of this place? Hey, come on. Idiot, come here. What were you telling them before I came in? I know how sharp your mouth can be. Eh? What?
The queen sent me to call Ijamaka.
And?
I've looked for her, but I didn't see her. So I was asking them if they saw her.
What did they tell you?
Oge said she did not see her. Why? Iruka said she saw her when she was leaving the palace alone.
Bastard! Come on! Get out! Get out! I'm busy playing. This palace. Doesn't let you come.
I don't want to see it again.
Look, this is the third time the youths of this land have refused to answer my invitation. I will hold all of them responsible should anything happen to my daughter.
Your Highness, this is not the right time to talk about the punishment you mete out to the youths for not honoring your invitation. This is the time to talk about how we are going to remedy this situation before it becomes late.
What would you want me to? Would you want me to get into the forest myself and look for the eggs? No, I am only concerned about my daughter because I do not want to lose her.
Can I make a suggestion, Your Highness?
Listen, Elemma, I am tired of suggestions. The only option open to us is to produce these eggs. Anything less than that is not acceptable to the sea goddess. The real option has failed us, which is the youths.
There's still hope.
Lema, did I hear you say hope?
Yes, my king. One person volunteered to enter that forest.